somehow we ended up on this train.
How that?
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
More nature.
Hi everyone. So I know we just did a hike literally in our last video, but today, my eyeball's having another spasm. Okay, today we are at our local nature park and we are looking around at some of the animals. This video is just going to be a montage, but
With intro and outro, you know.
yeah, but we hope you guys enjoy it. Don't dab. I like dabbing! He's chasing you! Over there, Ethan. He's coming, he's coming. He's chasing you. Sheep! Oh! So, somehow we ended up on this train.
How that?
Are you thirsty?
Oh, wow!
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We're leaving the park now. This was a good experience. We actually come here twice a year usually. It's a lovely place to come. So we'll see you guys in our next video, which will be a compilation of Ethan. Bye!